Your home is one of your most significant investments, so taking care of it is essential. One way to do that is to ensure your gutters are in good condition and installed correctly. A professional installation has many benefits that can save you time, money, and headaches. There are several advantages to having a professional work on your gutters instead of doing it yourself. One of the most significant advantages is that they have the proper tools and equipment to do the job correctly. They will also know that they function correctly and do not cause any damage. Professional gutter installation has many benefits that can save you time, money, and headaches. Some benefits include avoiding costly repairs, preventing water damage to your home, and protecting your landscaping. If you are considering installing your gutter, consult us, Tallahassee Gutters, to get the most out of your investment. Our business provides several services that you might need for your drain. Call us to get your free estimate. We offer high-quality gutter solutions at affordable prices and service warranties for new roofs. Our team is serving all areas in Tallahassee, Florida.